This future is as complex and ethically charged as it is fascinating, as it is promising. Either way, it is the only way home.
But are you really ready for the biofuture? Oh no, I can't even keep my cactus alive.
Whoa, don't freak out. You just need Kojigotchi.
A what a gochi?
A Kojigotchi. Let me explain. It's like a Tamagotchi, but instead of a fake pet, you take care of a real living organism, Koji mold.
But so, what is Koji?
Koji is a noble mold used to make miso, soy sauce, and sake. It grows on rice and soybeans, and it's cute, and it's useful.
Ew, mold?
Do you want to be post-anthropocentric or not?
Ah, fine.
So, how do we cook up some koji? Let's break it down. Step 1, rinse your rice. Clean and ready to grow. Step 2, soak it. Those grains need a nice bath. Step 3, steam it. You want it cooked through, but not too soft. Step 4, cool it down and add your spores. And now, it's Kojigotchi time. Pop in the rice with spores into your Kojigotchi, strap it on, and to keep the koji warm. And let the moldy magic begin. So how does it work? Bottom half, your little moldy buddy growing away. Top half, screen, sensors, all the smart stuff. Tech on the top, koji on the bottom. Easy. How do you know when your mold's crushing it? The Kojigotchi's got sensors for days. Heat, check. Humidity, locked in. CO2, fresh and breezy. You grow the mold, we'll do the math. And guess what? You don't have to read boring numbers. Meet your new best bud, Koji Moji. It's a little digital face that shows how your koji feels. Happy, sad, too hot, just right? If it's smiling, you nailed it. But hey, Koji Moji isn't the only one talking. Your real koji speaks too, through smell. If something's off, you'll smell it first.
Ew, yuck.
Floral. Fruity. If it smells great, you did it. Now it's time for the tasty part. Miso, marinade, maybe even sake. So what are you waiting for? Grow it, smell it, cook it, share it. Here's what's inside. Features include growth chamber, smart sensors, avatar interface, scent port, strap harness, customization kit, fermentation guidebook, and more. That's care, data, and flavor, all in one. Kojigotchi starter pack starts at $19.99. Each kit sold separately. Batteries not included. Molt not edible until fermented. Parental guidance recommended for microbial bonding.